Boom! Boom! Alright fellas, welcome back friends to Today episode we are featuring shrimp and rice stir fry. And these are the ingredients. Over here we have some chicken bouillon granules. We have chopped onions, chopped green onions. We have our eggs. We have rice, cooked rice, some leftover shrimp. There's mixed vegetables, that's what we like to use, and some bell pepper. Here we have salt, we have some sugar, and garlic, and ginger, and this is green season, which we have it on our site, on some of our videos. It's a condiment that brings some flavor and spice, give it a spunk to your food. Over here we have our home special all-pepper seasoning, white pepper, sesame oil, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. So without further ado, let's get to the oven and start cooking. Now we are at the stove. We are at the stove, and the secret to doing stir frying is to get your skillet to get hot, and then you put your oil. When you put the oil, make sure that you swirl it all around the skillet, your wok. It's very hot. Then we'll put in the egg. Alright, the egg goes in. You let it sizzle for about a minute or two before you stir. You don't want it to cook all the way. Just take it out while it's still slightly raw. Because we're going to cook it again. Add a little bit more oil. And then we add our onions. Allow the onions to cook a little bit. So then we go in with our mixed vegetables. Stir it up. Then we put in half of this green onion. Then comes the bell peppers. Okay, so now we put in the green seasoning, the garlic and ginger. Everything in there, and we stir fry. So now we put in a little bit salt, just a little bit salt, because the soy sauce has salt in it. A little bit sugar, and then the white pepper. Just a little bit white pepper, a little bit black pepper as well, not much. Yeah, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, a little bit ice. You need to break it. Use the back of the spoon to break it. Break it. Okay. In goes our eggs. And as usual, we gotta break it up. Gotta break the eggs, just like we did the rice. Our sauce. And then the shrimp. Then a little bit of bouillon. Then our sesame oil. Also a little bit of sesame oil. Then we finish it off with some green onion. And that's it. Just toss it together and everything's done. Our stir fry is done. So there you have it. Fellas, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification button so you don't miss anything, and remember to share. I appreciate you coming. Now we're going to plate and check out our product and how it came out. Now we are back. Now, have you ever been to a Chinese restaurant or any other restaurant? You taste the fried rice and it tastes so bland. I didn't take that good. But this is what you call flavor. We have infused it with good flavor. Try it and you're not going to forget it. Let me give it a try and see. We are serving this with a baked chicken. We had a video on that we did earlier. So let's give it a try. Talk about flavor. This is really good. This is really good. So fellas, go ahead and fix you as the way I showed you, and you will never forget. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification button, and also for more recipes, go to buzzdarkitchen.com. All the recipes are there, and more videos will be there. Thanks for coming. Bon appetit.